Welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. In this video, I'm explaining print function and input functions that are supported in Python, and also along with print and input function, I'm explaining comments also. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So wait a minute. Yeah. So to explain this comments, input function and a print function, I'm considering an example program. This program, what it does means it will print hello world and it will ask you to type your name. And once you type your name, right, it will print a message, good to meet you. So you can see the output here. So it will print hello world. So it will ask for your name. So here the name is virus. It will print the name as virus. This is just a simple program. By taking this program as an example, we will understand what is a comment, what is a input function, and what is a print function. Okay, and now I'm going to discuss each function in detail. Now, what is a comment? So, comment is nothing but in simple words, comments are used for understanding purposes. Python ignores comments. We can use them to write notes or remind ourselves. That means for understanding purpose, we can use comments. They are not going to be executed by Python, just for understanding purpose. Suppose if I am a non-technical user, so to understand a program, it will be difficult for me. So what to do that? What to do means instead of leaving as it is, you can use comments. Comments is going to explain the program for you. Those are for only for explanation purposes, not going to, so Python is not going to execute that statements. Now in Python, how to include comments means using a hash symbol. For example, hash, this program says hello and ask my name. Yeah, you can see that. So it is telling that as a non-technical user, I can understand that this program says hello and ask the name. So comments are mainly for understanding purpose. So to do that, I need to use as symbol, right, as a part of comment in Python. And also sometimes programmers will put as symbol in front of a line of code to temporarily remove it. Suppose if I'm testing a program, I'm facing some error in that line. So what I can do, I can just comment that line and check where actually the error is happening. So this type of commenting a line in a code is called as outcoding, right? To check where actually error is happening, you can just do that. Just you can just comment that particular line and you can check where actual error is happening. Where you can check, you can test a program. And if any error, if any blanks are there, if any blank line after the comment is there, Python ignores the blank lines. So comments are for understanding purpose. Python, how we use comments in Python means using a as symbol. So you can use comments for outcoding also. That means to check the program. Okay. Next, the print function. So print function, as the name suggests, it will print whatever there is inside the codes, whatever there is inside within the codes, it will print it. For example, here print hello world. Within the codes, what is there? Hello world. It will print hello world. Within the codes, what is there? What is your name? It will print whatever it is there is inside the codes, that will be printed in print function, right? Getting my point? So print function is going to display the string value that is inside the parentheses on the screen. Whatever is there inside the brackets, whatever is there inside the quotes, that will be printed using a print function. Okay, I don't want to drag this. Okay, next is the input function. As the name suggests, the input function takes the input from the user. How? User can give the input through the keyboard or through the mouse, and you can press enter. So you can see my name is equal to input means whatever the name you are going to give, that will be stored in a variable my name. So it is asking for you to enter the name. When you enter the name, it will be stored in the variable my name. So input is going to accept the input from the user. Input is mainly used to accept the input from the user. Okay. Now we will see this program. See, as this program says hello and ask name. So by understanding that it's a command, you can see that this program says hello and ask name. You can understand that this program will ask name. So print hello word. It will print hello word because print function print whatever which inside the codes. Next print what is your name. It will print what is your name. But so see again comment ask for their name. It is asking for me to enter the name. But how to do that? You should use input function because I should give the input. It should ask the input from me. It is asking me to give the name. So whenever I type a name, the input function will take that name and it will store that in the variable my name. Now see, again I will be printing. I'm printing. It's a good to meet you. It's good to meet you. Whom? My name. See, I'm printing my name. It's good to meet you. If I'm my name is Vishesh, it's good to meet you, Vishesh. So it's good to meet you, Vishesh. So my name plus why I'm using concatenating. It's good to meet you plus my name. What is the value in the my name? What I have given that as an input that will be there in my name. Here in this case virus. It's good to meet you, virus. Okay. So that's it, guys.